Thanks so much. And Chris Marsalek, thank you so much for joining us to talk about this very big deal right here in my hometown of Los Angeles. The big question is $700 million. Why does it make sense to invest so much in these naming rights?
Thanks for having me, Julia. We have 100% conviction that this is a worthwhile investment. This is one of the world's most iconic venues, and we are excited to partnering with AEG in LA, the cultural and creative capital of the world. And I think it comes at a time where cryptocurrency is really going mainstream, changing the way art, entertainment, and sports work. So I think it's a sign of times and a fitting name moving forward.
Certainly a sign of the times. I thought it was interesting that in addition to the naming rights, you're also going to have a 3,000 square foot crypto activation space. What does that mean, and how do you expect to use this arena as a way to educate and bring on more customers?
I think the reason why we were the top pick for the guys at AEG was that through hard work and staying humble, and we've earned a reputation for engaging with fans, and through our previous partnerships, we have proven that we can be very creative in terms of how we engage fans and how we boost local communities wherever we go. So, doing a deal that touches a venue with such legacy is also a huge responsibility. So we're willing to put in the hard work to make sure that that it's all done properly, and we'll make the fans proud to have our name on the building.
Yeah, it'll be interesting to see how many of those sports fans you convert to being users of your platform. And speaking of your platform, we were just talking in the past couple hours about the decline in Bitcoin, the price of Bitcoin down about 10% just in the past week. And I'm wondering if you're seeing an impact from that on trading activity on your platform, and how you see the risks that are inherent in this space.
Right. So indeed, every time there's volatility, we see uptick in activity on the platform. People are buying the proverbial dip. As you can see from this and other partnerships that we struck, 5, 10, 20-year-long deals, we take a very long-term view of the industry, and we think that cryptocurrency has the potential to reshape how internet works, and it's fundamentally different from Web 2. So we're very excited about it.
And just a quick final question. We talk a lot about your main competitor, Coinbase. Can you tell us what your plans are to go public?
I think the business is still very young. We've only been doing this for 5 years, but we've got a trusted, secure, and a regulated platform that now, with this partnership, is placed at the very center of this crypto revolution. So I think we've in due course when we're ready, but it's still very early.
And well, this is certainly a very high-profile deal. Thank you so much for coming on to talk to us about it, Chris.
Thank you so much for having me, Julia.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.